Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Steffi D Creates. It's back to school season, so I wanted to do a couple videos on some really fun back to school ideas that are great if you're going back to school and also double as awesome life hacks for your everyday life, your home, your office, your workspace, wherever you want to add a little bit of fun and color. The next couple videos are going to be on that. So today, we're going to be making these awesome covered cork boards with flower push pins. Aren't these so cute? You can choose any fabric that you want with any color scheme. It just adds some pop, some color, some fun, gets those creative juices going if you need a creative space. I love this project. I'm so excited to share it with you. If you're excited to see today's video, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and then you can always see new Steffi D Creates videos, all of the back to school stuff we have coming up. You don't want to miss out, so make sure you click that button. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com, and links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below, so you can make these awesome covered cork boards too. I'm so excited to show you how to make these. It only takes a couple of minutes and you have this awesome, colorful inspiration. So let's get started making them. Come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. A cork board, some fabric, and you can use anything from scrap pieces of fabric to placemats to old t-shirts. Anything that you have will work great. Some fake flowers, adhesive spray, a hot glue gun, and some push pins. We're gonna start by laying out our fabric, and like I said, you can use anything, a placemat, an old t-shirt, whatever you have, as long as it's enough to fully cover the front and stick onto the back, then it's good to go. So I'm just gonna lay it out, and if you want it really smooth, you can iron your fabric out first. So we're going to lay it out, and I'm just gonna take my cork and measure it on there, make sure that I have enough fabric to cover it. Give your adhesive spray a good shake, and then we're going to completely spray one side of the cork. And as soon as we spray it and it's fully coated, we're going to flip it over and smooth it out onto our fabric. So give it a good spray, a nice coat all over the back of your cork. Make sure that it's fully coated. Then we're going to flip it over and put it right in the center of our fabric and smooth it out. Pull your fabric so that it's nice and taut, and then we're going to also spray the back. I am just going to spray the outside rim because that's where my fabric is going to cover. If your fabric completely covers it, then go ahead and spray all of your cork with it, but mine is only going to cover the top part, so I am only spraying the adhesive where there's going to be fabric. So going around my border and giving it a nice coat of adhesive spray, and then we're going to fold over our fabric, making sure it is pulled nice and tight, and you want to smooth it out. Go over all four sides, smoothing out your fabric and making sure it is nice and stuck onto your cork. If your corners are a little loose like this, it's okay to add a little bit of adhesive spray right in the corner and then smooth that corner down. Now that our fabric is stuck on there, we're gonna flip it over and let this dry. So now we're gonna work on our flower push pins, and I got multicolored push pins instead of the clear. It's up to you what color you wanna get, but since it's gonna be bright and colorful with the flower fabric and the flowers, I got some really bright push pins, and we're just gonna pull out as many as we're gonna make. So I'm gonna make about 3 or 4 at a time, and then we're gonna take our flowers, and you can pick colors that are complementing to your fabric pattern. So because my pattern has a lot of pink in it, I'm going to pull off some pinks and some whites and some yellows, and just do one of each. So pull them right off there, a yellow and a white. If your flowers have a little bit of a stem in the background, we're just going to trim that little bit of stem off. Do that with all of your flowers. And we're gonna put a little dab of hot glue right in the center of the flower, and then add a color coordinating push pin. Hold it together and let it dry. Repeat with the rest of your flowers. Even if you're not going back to school, this is a really fun project to decorate your workspace. I think that having a safe space that makes you smile as your workspace is really helpful, really productive. That way you like coming in there. So my workspace is decorated with lots of colors, inspirational sayings. It just makes me happy, and I love going in there to do my work. Make as many push pins as you think you'll have space for. I like to have extras just in case. You never know how much you're gonna put on your bulletin board. And if you're using the cork board squares like I am, you can have multiple up and create a whole collage and then have flowers everywhere. It's a really great piece. Even if you don't want to decorate a cork board you already have and want to leave it plain, you can make these awesome flower push pins to decorate your plain cork board. Just push them in for a little bit of pop and color, whatever you need. Add your to-do list, your grocery list, pictures, your favorite sayings, whatever you love to put on your bulletin board. Decorate it and enjoy. I love this project. I hope you did too. I have them up in my office as 4 different squares with pops of color, different flowers. It really just makes it a happy place to come into. If you liked today's video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you are the first to know when new Steffi D Creates videos come up. Share some love. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button. As always, full instructions are on my blog, steffidcreates.com. Links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. Go check them out so you can make these and boost up your workspace. Follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest to stay up to date with behind the scenes information, upcoming projects, tips and tricks, life hacks, more DIYs, so much more on there. If you create this video, don't forget to upload it and use the hashtag SteffiDCreate so I can see your awesome creations. This is such a fun back to school DIY crafty life hack that just takes an ordinary cork board and gives it a new life. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.